morning sunshine. Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well, well, well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. Wanna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten.
Mr. Dexter, fuck off!
Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
God damn it. It's typical. Just typical. I'm on it!
Yeah, we'll do. Thought I was just a sarge. He looked very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I left the pistol
Every year, Merle. Every year at the Hope Fair, we have to haul your drunken ass.
I'm not drunk. I'm just stressed still.
Please. I can smell it from over here. So what is it this year? Defecating water fountain? Interrupting the mayor's speech by publicly declaring to be Jesus?
Just give me the old drunk driving.
Hey, yeah.
Merle, we took away your license months ago. You know better than that. Sorry, Merle. Sheriff just threw one of his 10. Trust me. You do not want to bother.
I don't normally complain, but it's every 30 minutes or so. It kept me up all night. And it's right before fair day, too. I'm trying to win a goldfish.
Those are Dexter Industry trucks. My hands are tied.
Oh, bullshit. I want to file a formal complaint. Why do they have to drive down Main Street anyway? They can take another road.
Sorry, Dustin, but you gotta take it up with City Hall. They're the ones greenlighting the convoys. I wouldn't hold my breath, though. You know Dexter Industries employs half a hope, so they get a lot of leeway. Hey, so who's the mystery guy? Skirky looks unusually pissed off. I don't know. Shit. Jesus. Hey, wait here. I'm gonna take care of this. I'll deal with it. Just wait here.
That ain't none of my business.
Hope Police Station, Chloe speaking. Armed vehicles?
Who's making that sound?
Sir, is this a crank call? Because blocking police phone lines is a serious offense.
Sheriff Skirky?
Oh, fuck!
We're taking over your town.
Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Ow! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff!
Christ, what a dipshit. Alpha team, stay on mission. Line 47.
I want sentry posts here, here, and here. 4 teams sweeping the building throughout sectors 5, 7, and 12. Standard A-16 pinch maneuver. Flush them out like a rat.
Relax, sir. My men have it covered.
Yeah? Right up until they get fiber wired and shoved inside a dumpster. Word's the wise ace. Don't underestimate this one. It'll be the last thing you do.
Blockades are in place here and here. We have sentinels positioned on every corner and sniper positions here, here, on every rooftop overlooking town square.
No.
What? Notified the state authorities by now.
At least the target...
checkpoint. Setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
This doesn't make any sense. How could he just give us the drop like that?
What'd you expect? The guy's a ghost. Why do you think he...
What the?
All right, who threw that?
Sheriff, do something!
Are you okay, my son?
Fucking move! You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
People down!
Please, I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself. Blackwater Park! Blackwater Park!